everybody. Welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. Let's get this beauty started. Okay, we are working with a 16-inch grapevine wreath, which I kind of squished down. We got a variety of some beautiful sunflowers. We got another little sorted of variety of these little florals. We got this gorgeous pumpkin. We made a ribbon. We also got our scissors, wire cutters. We are working with some floral foam, a glue gun, and we got some caboodle sticks. Okay, everybody, let's get this started. We are going to get our foam. We are going to insert it right here, kind of on the side. So we're going to get some caboodle sticks. We're going to cut them. We're going to get our glue gun. We're going to get the... Now we're going to decide to put it to the side. And we're going to get that in there like that. There. I'm going to make it more secure, so I'm going to put another one right on this side. I'll do a little lesser. Okay. Let's get some more glue on there. Get that one, I'm going to get that one right in here. There we go. We're going to pin this beauty right in here. See if it goes in without them poking out. We got it. So there's a little right here, so we're going to just cut it off. Now we got it secure. Could also put some glue under here to make it secure. There we go, everybody. Now we are going to get our ribbon on. We'll do that. We're going to do that right now so we can see what we're working. We're going to put this about right here. Let's get that right in here. Wire it on in the back. Cut the excess off. Find it. Okay, we got the ribbon going. Now let's get our florals on. Let me see, we're just gonna go around this way. Get those in. Be creative and search your beautiful flowers all over, balance them out. Okay, let me see. You could use your glue gun too and insert them to keep them secure. Look at that. Let me see. Just work around with right of flowers. Step back and visualize. How's it looking? Okay, got that. Ay, ay, ay. I don't want to cut them too short because I like to reuse them. Okay, we're going to stop right there. We're going to insert this beautiful pumpkin. Let me get some glue on here. Hopefully this thing ain't too... Oh my, look at that. Just gonna get some and to bend them around and work with them. Ay, I forgot these ones. You take this one out and get this beauty in there. Look at that. Okay. Now let's get some white up here. Look at that, everybody. How beautiful, huh? Okay. Let's get one more over here. Look at that. Bend it around some. Okay, I gotta get this going, my son. Ooh. Okay, how's that looking, everybody? Let's get one more in here. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Look at that. We're going to get some up here. These pretties. Get those inserted in here. There. Let's get another one up in here. Okay, good. Yeah, Mama, someone's done, Papa. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, we're going to get another one over in here. Get this one right there. Wow, look at how beautiful that came up, everybody. Let's get some more in here. And let's get a little bit up in here. Right there. We got some of this little greenery. Let's see about in here. There we go, everybody. Let me see. Wow, it's come out beautiful. Let's be creative and use your imagination, and you will come out with a beauty. Look at this, everybody. Let me puff up my ribbon. Here we go. It's the beautiful orange colors for fall. How's that, everybody? Let me put this here for the stand so you guys can see it. Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. If you got any inspiration or just enjoyed my video, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. You'll also be helping my channel grow. It's free. And everybody have a great day and let's get that smile on. And once again, thanks for watching my video. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful.